Psiphon is an award-winning circumvention system that uses a combination of secure communication and obfuscation technologies. The Psiphon code base is developed and maintained by Psiphon Incorporated, which operates systems and technologies designed to assist Internet users to securely bypass the content filtering systems used by governments to impose censorship of the Internet. Psiphon is specifically designed to support users in countries considered to be enemies of the Internet. The original concept for Psiphon was developed by the Citizen Lab at the University of Toronto, building upon previous generations of web proxy software systems, such as the SafeWeb and Anonymizer systems. In 2007, Psiphon Incorporated was established as an independent Canadian corporation that develops advanced censorship circumvention systems and technologies. Psiphon Incorporated and the Citizen Lab at the Munk School of Global Affairs, University of Toronto occasionally collaborate on research projects, through the Scilab partnership. Psiphon currently consists of 3 separate but related open-source software projects: 3xA a cloud-based runtime tunneling system, 2xA a cloud-based secure proxy system, 1xA the original home-based server software. Psiphon 1x is no longer supported by Psiphon Incorporated or the Citizen Lab. History. The original concept for Psiphon envisioned an easy-to-use and lightweight Internet proxy, designed to be installed and operated by individual computer users who would then host private connections for friends and family in countries where the Internet is censored. According to Nout Villeneuve, the idea is to get to install this on their computer, and then deliver the location of that circumventer, to people in filtered countries by the means they know to be the most secure. What we're trying to build is a network of trust among people who know each other, rather than a large tech network that people can just tap into. Psiphon 1.0 was launched by the Citizen Lab on December 1, 2006 as open-source software. In early 2007, Psiphon Incorporated was established as a Canadian corporation independent of the Citizen Lab and the University of Toronto. The original code was made available under the GNU General Public License. In 2008, Psiphon was awarded the NEET Explorateur Award by the French Senate. In 2009, Psiphon was recognized with the Economist Best New Media Award by Index on Censorship. In 2011, Psiphon 1x was officially retired and is no longer actively supported by Psiphon Incorporated, or the Citizen Lab. In 2008, Psiphon Incorporated was awarded 2 subgrants via the Internews-operated CESOR project, S. The source of funding came from the European Parliament and the U.S. State Department Internet Freedom Program, administered by the Bureau of Democracy, Human Rights, and Labor. The objective of these grants was to develop Psiphon into a scalable circumvention solution capable of supporting large numbers of users across different geographic regions. The core development team grew to include a group of experienced security and encryption software engineers that previously developed SafeWeb, a secure document management system. During the period of grant support, Psiphon Incorporated developed Psiphon 3, a lightweight tunneling client that runs on Windows and Android platforms. In 2010, Psiphon Incorporated began providing services to the Broadcasting Board of Governors, U.S. Department of State, and the British Broadcasting Corporation. Psiphon Incorporated currently operates on the basis revenues generated from commercial operations. In 2012, Psiphon Incorporated began development of a mobile version of Psiphon 3 for use with phones running Android. See also: Freedom of Information, NewNet, Hacktivism, Internet Censorship, OpenNet Initiative, the 6-4 System. References. External links: Official website, Software Jumps China's Firewall for News from Tibet, BBC, Web Censorship Bypass Unveiled, Canadian software touted as answer to Internet censorship abroad, Computer World, Liberation software designed on basis of trust, Reuters, Canada experts find path round Internet firewalls, Al Jazeera's Listening Post story about Psiphon on YouTube, Index on Censorship Psiphon wins Economist New Media Award at Freedom of Expression Awards 2009.